Hi guys! Today we will be looking at closed syllables. Now this is the sign for closed syllables. What is a closed syllable? A closed syllable ends in a consonant. It has a short vowel sound. Okay, let us look at the word dog. Let's clap the syllable. Dog. This is a closed syllable because here we can see d, the consonant, and a vowel, and it ends with a consonant, the G. D, O, G, dog. Now, occasionally, you can divide a word between the two consonants in the middle to read it or to make sense of the word. For example, look at this word, plastic. We will divide the word in the middle. So we have plastic. 2 syllables, close syllables. S, plas. We have a short vowel sound and S, the consonant. Then the next part, the other syllable part, is tick. We have a short vowel sound and the consonant k, C. Now let's look at some more examples. Dentist. Dentist. Problem. Problem. Rabbit. Rabbit. Compass. Compass. Wisdom. Wisdom. Blossom. Blossom. Common. Common. Subtract. Subtract. Muffin. Muffin. Puppet. Puppet. Thank you very much, everyone. I really hope this video was helpful. Please remember, when you understand closed syllables, it will help you to make sense of words and to read them correctly. Also, please remember, you can look in the description and you will find many more videos to help you with reading. You will also find videos to help you with grammar. And you will find the link to our decodable books that are available on Amazon. And please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!